Namur wasn't even supposed to be on this trip, but sometimes the best stops are the ones you don't plan. What started as a practical choice, good parking and a pet-friendly place for Joey, turned into one of the most surprising highlights of our Belgium journey. Local vibes, riverside views, and some of the most authentic Easter celebrations I've seen. Let me show you what 2 days in Namur really felt like. I based myself at the Ibis Namur Center, which turned out to be a perfect choice. Situated right in the old town, it offered easy access to the city's main attractions. The hotel was pet friendly, making it convenient for Joey, and parking was hassle free, about €15 per night. One of my favorite things about Namur is how easy it is to experience the city just by walking. It's compact, relaxed, and full of little discoveries around every corner. From our hotel at the Ibis Namur Center, Joey and I could step right out the door and instantly be surrounded by cobbled alleys, riverside promenades, and bustling local squares. We started our stroll in the old town, where the architecture ranges from 17th century facades to charming stone homes with flower boxes. The pace here is slow, in the best way. People walking their dogs, kids riding scooters, couples sharing waffles on benches. It felt lived in and local, not polished for tourists.
You know, we're in Belgium when they make their own bottles for their beers. A nice triple ambre. On a warm, sunny day, and I don't have to drive anywhere. This is dessert in a glass.
One of the most peaceful parts of our walk was along the Promenade de la Meuse, a long leafy path that runs right next to the river. You get these uninterrupted views of the water, with the Citadel of Namur towering above in the background. Boats drift by and locals cycle, all stroll past with groceries and fresh bread. I highly recommend doing this walk during golden hour. It's magical. No city walk is complete without snacks, and in Namur that means Belgian waffles, fresh fritties, and probably a local beer or two if you're into that. I grabbed a waffle and sat just soaking in the buzz of Easter weekend crowds.
Waffles are good. They're sweet, delicious, and a lot of calories. I'm gonna have to walk this off.
As we were walking around town enjoying the sights, we stumbled into something quite unique. As this was the Easter weekend, I was fortunate to witness Folknam, a traditional festival that brings Namur's history to life. The city squares, especially Place d'Armes and Place de Maurice Sauvat, were vibrant with medieval dances, period costumes, and lively parades. The atmosphere was electric, offering a unique glimpse into the local traditions. After a long scenic wander through the city, we made our way to the Citadel of Namur, and honestly, it's hard to miss. Perched high above the city, it's one of the most iconic landmarks in Wallonia. And whether you climb up by foot or take the cable car, yes, there's a cable car, the views are worth it. The cable car is around €5 one way or €8 return. But honestly, we enjoyed the short walk up while enjoying some beautiful views. We took the path that winds up through the wooded slope, which makes it feel like a proper mini hike. Apparently this is the city. It's founded by a man on a turtle. He rode his turtle all the way from Denmark and he said, "Nice river, let's build a town." Once at the top, wow, you're rewarded with sweeping panoramic views of Namur, where the Sambre or Meuse rivers meet. You can see the old town below, the bridges stretching across the river and the soft green hills rolling in the distance. It's the kind of place you stand quietly for a minute and take it all in. I couldn't resist it. I had to launch my drone, and capturing the city from above gave me a whole new appreciation for how stunning this place is. The aerial shots show how the citadel stretches across the ridge, with walking paths, tunnels and open green spaces, and make it feel like more than just a fortress, like a living part of the city. If I had to do this again, these are some tips. I would take the cable car one way and walk the other if you have limited time. Probably best to go in late afternoon, there are fewer people and better light, especially for those drone footage. And I would bring some snacks and water. There's a large grassy park area where you can have a nice break with a picnic. Dogs are allowed, which is great, so take your pet with and you'll enjoy it with you. Greek food. It's toast to the Greek bar. Good luck and Godspeed. So that's Namur, a place I honestly hadn't planned to visit, but one that completely won me over. From medieval parades and riverside walks to quiet corners with great food and even better views, the city felt like a slice of real Belgium. And Joey definitely approved. If you've been to Namur or discovered another underrated city during your travels, drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with someone who needs a bit of travel inspiration. And don't forget to subscribe for more laid-back adventures across Europe. Always with Joey in tow. Until next time, keep exploring.